Look at the backup light right there. You gonna tell me next time you do that? That sounds weird. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Yep, we are here at IAA today. It's a beautiful day in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I am looking at all kinds of new inventory, okay? I haven't been here in a while, so please join me as we walk around and find some vehicles that I might be interested in purchasing and some vehicles that you can purchase as well, because you don't have to be a dealer. You just have to sign up, pay a little deposit, and you can come out here and take a look at these cars, have one delivered right to your driveway, and save a ton of money. So let's see what I can find today. Why don't we start things off with the hybrid? Yeah, 2013 Chevrolet Volt right there. This is the first generation. I think they came out in 2011. They did redesign it in 2016, gave you a little more range and was a little quicker. This, I believe, got 35 miles for its charge. Then the little 1.4 liter engine would kick in. One of the Car Journalist magazines got 32 miles per gallon on this thing. I had a friend that owned one. He loved his. He absolutely loved it. This one has some damage. Look at the backup light right there. That's cool. And they even used it to tow. That's nice. I think it's a good looking little car. I really do. We probably have some parts back here, maybe your floor mats and everything. This is the damage. You need a tire. Definitely a fender. Maybe that's a fender that's in the bag, and a bumper. She just kind of slid up against something. I don't know if the tire's popped or just flat. The door looks okay. I mean, this is all okay. This will buff out right here. This is bent back a little bit. That's no big deal. This looks to be okay, but I would worry if this was damaged at all, because that's a big component for your electrical system right there. Absolutely. As far as problems on these, I think Consumer Reports said they had, of course, electrical problems and then climate control problems. That was the big one. We'll see if we can get inside and take a look at it. But I love the color. I love the black right here. This Volt is cool with the little lightning. And I like the black going along the end right there. Black interior. We can get inside. I don't think there's any power, and my little thing won't work. Yeah, I like how this parks right up in here, though. This is cool. And yeah, I think this is going to be your fender. They kind of have it shoved back here. Look at the display. It's a comfortable driving position. It really is. Let's just kind of open the hood, see what's going on. We do have the Bose sound system right here, but it's plasticky. Okay, everything is very plasticky. No airbag went off, which is good. Looks like your windshield is fine. This would be a fun little car. I don't know if I wouldn't be too afraid of it. I think it would run just fine. Let's take a different look at the damage under here. I think it has 120,000 miles. You have a P4 on the back there. You got a P4 on the front. Good amount of tread left. That's okay. Okay, so it slides to the right to open it up. All right. Okay, so here you have your Volt Tech. Here you have your 1.4. You have your coolant, and I'm afraid to touch anything orange, even though the battery's dead. I don't like touching orange wires. But I don't see any damage. This right here, see how this is kind of loose? No biggie. I don't think the damage got back to any kind of a radiator or anything. Oh, you need a light? Yeah, a right light as well. Frame rails look fine. This wasn't a huge hit. I mean, it kind of slid into something, but it's not a major catastrophe. You might even be able to save the bumper. I mean, you could touch it up right here, get a repaint. I've saved worse, much worse. And I bet the tire is fine. I bet it's fine. Get a fender, paint the bumper, Get yourself a little trim piece for that right there. Drive her down the road and she'll be great. This is nice. Okay, yeah, 120,000 miles. Lost type is collision. Back seat. Floor mats. Where's the bottom of your seat? You're missing the bottom of your seat. Okay, that's all right. No biggie. And I don't think we can get into here, can we? Yeah, because there's no power. Our Volt has no power. So we move on. So you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to show people how to fix vehicles. Well, this would be a perfect one for you to start with, okay? First of all, there's not going to be anything wrong with it mechanically. It's a Toyota Camry from 2009. The damage is so minimal, all you have to find is a bumper. And you can find it very easily, and probably even in this red color, okay? So we had a collision in the back. There's a little bit of damage right here, okay? But guess what covers this? Your bumper. Your bumper is gonna cover this. So I guess you have to push the key to open this up. We'll open it up and see how pushed in everything is. But all the rest of the car is perfect. Look at the tires. Koopa tires with a lot of tread. Do they match? Yeah, Cooper CS 5 Grand Touring with lots and lots of tread. This was a student's car. AAA Plus sticker on the windshield as well. So that's good to know. Oh, this would be easy. This student went to a college in northeast Oklahoma. And the interior, well, it's a Camry. So boring, boring, boring. At least the Camrys of this era. We have a light on. Is she going to try to start for us? We do have a key. Here we go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, sexy. It is kind of comes alive. Only 69,000 miles. Wow. Okay. That's nice. What do you think they listen to on the radio?
Economic engine for the country for the past
107. I don't really know what that station is. Okay. This is nice though. I mean, it's designed like a fridge. If you ask me. Ooh. Sealant. Vehicle shield protection. That's good to know. You get all of your owner's manual right there. Everything's gonna work. It's a Camry. I like the tinting. I like the stripe across the window right there. Ooh, this one's, come on. A little slow on the downtake. Yep. And then of course, the last one. Yeah, all the windows work. Everything is fine. Low, low, low miles. What do you think about this? Where is my trunk release? Right here. There we go. Let's look at the trunk first. We'll let the battery charge up a little bit. Take a look at the damage in the back. Look for damage, look for damage, look for damage. A little bit. Not very much at all. Okay, coming down through here, this is pushed in just a little bit. You know what? Get me a rubber mallet. Whack, 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 whack. Whack it out. Cover it with the bumper. Nobody would ever know. Nobody would know. Well, that's, maybe a shop did have this. I mean, that's how they mix paint. That's for a shop. You have your floor mats. You have a very nice spare. Oh, so there is a little damage right there too. You know what? Step on it. Well, okay, it's buckled. So it's a little more extensive than I thought. See how this is buckled right here? Yeah, you stand on that and you jump up and down. Remove the tire, jump up and down, and that may come out. Oh, well, okay. So look how they've tied the muffler. Sometimes you got to get down and look at things. So it's a little more extensive. But that's all hidden. It's all hidden by the bumper. which is okay. Yeah, not bad at all. We'll take a look under the hood. Hi. See how she sounds. Here we go. The little 4-cylinder, 16 valve, and it runs perfect. Low miles. We do need some power steering fluid. The brake fluid is not bad at all. God, that scared me. Are you gonna tell me next time you do that? Yeah, please tell me next time. It scared me. So, no, this is a good little car. This would be a very, very, very easy flip.
You gonna tell me next time you do that?
All right, so here we go. Car number 2 for you. Poop-poopy-doo. Very, very nice. And finally, how about an old school Mustang? Well, not totally old school, but not the newer one. All right. This is a good looking car. It's basic black. All right. Probably a V6, nothing special. We've got a little dent right here. You can see how this is kind of pushed in. Let's see. It is listed as lost type other. It is, oh, okay. It's a pedal car. Pedal is a company that buys cars and then they just kind of sell them in mass at the auctions. And sometimes you can get a good deal. Sometimes they're cars that nobody wants for a good reason. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay, so you do have some quarter panel damage on the right. Okay, this is kind of, ooh. So you do need some work on that. Okay, this is kind of sharp too. So I don't know if PDR will help. I mean, you can get in there and bang it out a little bit, but you may have to have some good body work done. Tires look okay. Continental on the front, Continental on the back, and they do have some tread. Okay, so other than that, for a basic car, you got a high schooler, first car, this would be perfect. Absolutely perfect, because you know it's going to get beat up in the high school parking lot. There is no place rougher on cars than a high school parking lot. And like every single Mustang, this has been replaced. They always do this. It comes off and they find other kinds of material and everything to replace it. We've got some issues with the seat right here. This car, I can just feel it. It's had a tough life. It was probably babied for a couple years when it was new, but it not so anymore. Okay, let's just kind of see what's going to happen. We do have power, 204,000 miles, and well, hallelujah. She's alive. Got your nice shaker radio. Okay. No owner's manual. You get some floor mats. This seat and the smell in here is really, really gross. It really is. Sounds like power steering does work. Okay, well, it is a 6. And it sounds okay. I mean, it's got a she-ton of miles on it. But it sounds okay. It's dirty. I think all the fluids should probably be changed. This looks like it was orange at one time. Maybe it is orange under there. We do have some rust issues as well. Wipe that off. Ugh. But the engine runs good. Little battery, teeny tiny little battery. From 10 of 22, this will go cheap. I really think that this will go cheap. Okay, let me help put this up. And kaboom. Very nice. What's in the trunk? Just the tires alone are worth something. Absolutely. Well, Maybe it just hasn't been running for a while. Maybe that's it. Okay. Yeah, get yourself a new seat. Get the body work done. Give it a really good cleaning. And you'd have a nice little car. Yeah. I'm not afraid of this. You think we have air conditioning? We have a problem with the blend door. I can tell you that. And we have air conditioning. We do. We have air conditioning. And we'll turn it off. Well, you need this piece too. Absolutely. Okay, so do we have brakes? Feels like it. We go into reverse. We go into drive. Here we go. Driver's door ajar. 33 miles to empty. Check engine light is on. Driver's door is ajar. And that's it. Oh, this would be a cheap car. You got a son who needs something cheap to get him through high school. This would be nice. Absolutely, this would be nice. Well, what do you think about these three cars? This Mustang is tempting, but it's the quarter panel work that's going to get very, very expensive. Can you hear that? Now I got a rattle under the engine somewhere. That sounds weird. Yeah, okay. That sounds weird. Anyway, can you believe that other guy? I was actually looking at the Camry. Somebody came up and just kind of took over the car. They could see that I was filming. They could see that I was doing my thing. And then they get in the car when I'm looking at it and rev the engine when I'm right down by it. Scared the crap out of me. He didn't care. Oh, he just walked off. Didn't care at all. It's those kinds of people that, you know, take keys and feel like they deserve to rev engines as high as they can, and they feel like they can just take these things and do what they want with them when they don't even own them. But that's okay. That's that kind of person. Don't let things bother you. Stay chill and live longer. That's my new motto. Chill out and add a couple of years to your lifespan, okay? Thanks for watching these videos, everybody. We are back with another get your hand dirty type of video. I've been working on the ML. I've been working on the Volvo wagon, which ended in a big cloud of smoke and a smell of burnt wires. You got to see that video. And of course, the two Mercedes station wagons and that Mercedes SLK, which after owning it for probably 2 years, I got to get it on the road. I really have to get it on the road. We're putting a starter in. I think that's the issue. Fingers crossed. So you want to stay tuned for all of those videos. All right. We are back with another walk around video as well very, very soon. Until then, like I said, stay chill and live longer. Okay. Bye-bye.